So good morning students. Today 28th of October, Wednesday, as we are discussing about the chapter packing and its author is Zero Kaiser. This chapter is an extract taken from the novel Three Men in a Boat, right? And we have completed our explanation till 7th point. So let us again revise that till 7th point, then we proceed to point number 8. So here, Zerom, the narrator, he felt very pride on his packing. Three friends, George, Harris, and Zerom, they decided to go on a holiday trip. He offered to do packing. George and Harris were impressed by that, and they felt relaxed, sitting in an easy chair, doing nothing like that. This make Zerom to irritate it. So the George and Harris doesn't do any type of work, but this time Zerom had intended that George and Harris would pack and he would become the boss over them. But he doesn't like the people who do nothing and just watching it, they do nothing. वो कुछ नहीं करते हैं, बस देखते रहते हैं. No help at all, like that. So he doesn't like those type of peoples. इस तरह के लोगों को Zerom like नहीं करता. And he hated seeing all people doing nothing when he was working. जब वो काम कर रहा होता है, and the other person, he was just sitting idle, doing nothing. He became irritated at that time. The narrator then started the packing. He had finished packing in a very short time. Then Harris told him about that heavy had keep the boots inside the bag. Then again he opened the bag and packed the boots in. He was going to close just then an idea came to in his mind that had he packed his toothbrush inside the bag and he had some memories related to that toothbrush. फिर उसे याद आया कि क्या उसने अपना टूथब्रश बैग में रखा है कि नहीं, क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ इंसिडेंट उसके साथ हुआ था टूथब्रश से रिलेटेड, जिसके कारण उसने वो बैग दोबारा खोला. So after that, he turned everything out, but he could not find the toothbrush. He found brushes of George and Harris 18 times, but he couldn't find his own toothbrush, right? So he put the things back one by one, then he found the toothbrush inside a boat. Then he repacked it. Then at last the narrator finished his packing. Soon George asked if the soap was in. फिर George ने question put up किया, क्या तुमने soap रखा या नहीं रखा? But the narrator was in anger. He won't open the bag again. He found that he had packed his tobacco pouch. So कि वो उसने अपना tobacco pouch रख लिया. That's enough. So the George and Harris undertook to the rest of the packing. George and Harris ने कहा कि बाकी की packing जो भी है जिम्मेदारी related to the food basket or whatever that they will pack it. उन्होंने कहा कि वो pack कर देंगे. ठीक है ना? So the main part packing is now over and they at last they went to their own bed. उसके बाद वो अपने अपने बेड पे सोने के लिए गए. Right? Now we see point number 8. Okay, now let us start point number 8. Point number 8, Anurag Vyas. I would like to invite Anurag Vyas to read point number 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Loudly.
Yes, ma'am. They began in light-hearted spirit, evidently intending to show me how to do it. I made no comment. I only waited, with the exception of Gerard. Harris is the worst packer in this world, and I looked at the piles of plated and cups, and kettles, and bottles, and jars, and pies, and stoves, and cakes, and tomatoes, etc., and felt that he think would soon become exciting. It did. They started with breaking a cup. That was the first thing they did. They did that just to show you what they could do and do get you interested. Then Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of the tomato and squished it, and they had to pick out the tomato with a teaspoon.
Thank you so much. Now in this point number 8, now they begin in a light-hearted spirit, evidently intending to show me how to do it. Now the two other friends, George and Harris, now their task now going to be start. Okay, now they are showing that how they work. वो दिखाना चाह रहे थे कि वो कैसा काम करते हैं better than zero. I made no comment. I only waited. So Zeram just looked at it. He just watched them what they are doing. He didn't give any type of comment. With the exception of George, Harris is the worst packer in this world. According to Zeram, these two people, George and Harris, they were the worst, सबसे बेकार बैकपैकिंग करने में, दुनिया की सबसे बेकार. ऐसा जेरम का मानना है कि उनको पैकिंग करना बिल्कुल नहीं आता. Worst one. I looked. What he saw that? I looked at the piles of plates and cups, kettles, bottles, jars, pies, stoves, cakes, and tomatoes were lying on the floor. He just see. देखा उसने कि क्या कर रहा है. And felt that the thing would become more exciting now. उसने कहा अब मजा आया. अब ये कैसे करते हैं? Because they have all spread out all these things. Jar, bottles, plates, cups, cakes, everything here and there. Mismatch everything like that. It did, and it happens. What it happens, let us see. They started with breaking a cup. Now they just, because with the mesmerizing here and there, they broke the cup. और cup टूटा सबसे पहले. That was the first thing they did. सबसे पहले cup तोड़ा. रखने के चक्कर में इधर उधर तोड़ दिया. They did that just to show that what they could do and to get you interested. They want to show that they can do everything. They can manage it. They can know how to pack all these food articles in the basket. Then Harris, what did he do? The Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of a tomato. Strawberry jam की बोतल को टमाटो के ऊपर रख दो. You know what will happen then? क्या होगा? टमाटो will squashed. टमाटो तो बिल्कुल पिचक जाएगा, बिल्कुल फट जाएगा वो तो. And the top of a tomato and squashed it. And they had to pick out the tomato with a teaspoon और उसको टीस्पून से वो टमाटो को निकाला. टमाटो तो बिल्कुल पिचक गया क्योंकि जैम की इतनी भारी बोतल उस टमाटो के ऊपर रख दी गई. तो ऑब्वियसली है कि पूरा टमाटो का क्या हाल हुआ होगा. Like this. Now proceed to the 9th point. I will read it. And then it was now George's turn. And he tore on the butter. Tore means stepped on. He just stepped on. Means butter के ऊपर पैर रख दिया उसने. ठीक है ना? बटर पे पैर रख दिया. And I didn't say anything. George didn't give any comment. He just simply watched. वो सिर्फ देख रहा था. But I came over and sat on the edge of the table and watched them. Now page turn. It irritated them more than anything. I could have said I felt that it made them nervous and excited, and they stepped on things and put things behind them and then couldn't find them when they wanted them. So they keep the things here and there. Something other means they don't know where they have to put the food articles, the food items in a proper way. उन्हें ये नहीं पता कि किसके ऊपर भारी लाइट वेट चीज के ऊपर वो भारी चीज रख देते थे. Like that. बटर को इस तरह से स्प्लिट कर देते थे. They don't know how to pack the food articles in the basket. So यही शो हो रहा है, उन्हें मालूम नहीं पड़ा था. बस everything they have put in that basket. That's it. Okay. उन्हें ये पता था कि उन्हें सिर्फ बास्केट में डालना है, बस इतना. बट उसको प्रॉपर्ली डालने का भी होता है कुछ चीज, ताकि कोई भी फूड आइटम्स डैमेज नहीं. ठीक है ना? So Zero was just watching all these things. They packed the pies at the bottom and put heavy things on top. Light weighted things they put at the bottom, and after that they put heavy weight things on it. हल्की चीज को नीचे रख रहे थे और भारी चीज को उसके ऊपर रख रहे थे. You know then what will happen? क्या होता है उसके बाद? And smash the pies. और इस तरह से सब smashed हो गया, सब पिचक गया, बिल्कुल फैल गया और ज्यादा spread out हो गया और ज्यादा वर्क इस तरह से बढ़ता ही जा रहा था. वो जितना उसको समेटने की कोशिश कर रहे थे उतना ही ज्यादा स्प्रेड आउट होता. एवरीथिंग स्क्वैश्ड, सब पिचक के और मींस डिस्ट्रॉय होते जा रहा. Like that. Now proceed to point number 10. Would like to read. I would like Aditi Rathod. Aditi Rathod to read point number 10.
They upset salt over.
Loudly, better, loudly. You should have to read loudly.
I never saw two.
Your voice is not reached to us.
I never saw two men do more with 1 and 2 pence worth of butter in my whole life than they did. After George had got it off his slipper, they tried to put it in the kettle. It wouldn't go in, and what was the wouldn't come out. They did scrape it out at last and put it down on the chair, and Harry sat on it, and it stuck to him, and they went looking for it all over the room.
Thank you so much. So now they upset, salt, everything. And as for the butter, I never saw two men in my whole life than they did. I never saw two men do more with 1 and 2 pence worth of butter in my whole life than they did. So now everything mesmerized, everything become mismatched here and there. And Zeram said that I have never seen in my this type of people that they don't know how to manage or how to keep the food articles or food items in a basket. And the butter lying here and there, everything is there. After George had got it off his slipper, and not only that, the butter also stick up in the slipper of George. George की स्लीपर में बटर भी चिपक गया क्योंकि जैसे उसने पैर रखा obviously बटर स्लीपर में आके चिपक गया था. And they tried to put it in the kettle और उसे निकाला गया स्लीपर से बटर को निकाला भी गया and it wouldn't go in. And what was it wouldn't come out. They did scrap it out at last and put it down on a chair and Harry sat on it. और उसके बाद lastly वो करके बैठ गए. समझ में आया ना? बटर निकाला स्लीपर से और उसके बाद वो दोनों भी थक के बैठ गए. Now it is not easy for them to do any work. So Harry sat on it. Then afterwards, ये सब होने के बाद हैरी उसके ऊपर बैठ गया वापस बटर. इतना सारा चीज होते जा रहा है. काम जितना हो सके सॉर्ट आउट करने की जगह वो और बढ़ते जा रहा था. ज्यादा से ज्यादा बढ़ते ही जा रहा. Whatever they like to do, it all become this double work होते जा रहा. जितना उसे शॉर्ट आउट करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे वो उससे डबल वर्क हो रहा था. So it stuck to him and they went looking for it all over the room. So butter everywhere, butter is there. सब जगह butter फैल चुका था. Butter ही butter spread हो चुका था in their sleeper and also Harry sat on it. उसके भी ड्रेस में हो चुका था obviously. Everywhere is there. मतलब कुछ भी चीज proper place में नहीं रखी गई. So in this two stanza we can see that these two peoples really they are the worst packer. है ना? इससे यही शो हो रहा है कि उनको पैकेट करना बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता था. They are the worst one. So it is truly said by Zeram that yes, they are there. Now let's proceed to point number 11. Okay, point number 11, Disha Sharma. Now I request Disha Sharma.
Yes, ma'am. I will take my oath. I put it down on the chair, said George, staring at the empty seat. I saw you do it myself not a minute ago, said Harris. Then they started around the room again looking for it, and then they met again in the center and stared at one another. Most extraordinary thing I ever heard of, said George. So mysterious, said Harris. Then George got round at the back of Harris and saw it. Why, here it is all the time, he exclaimed indignantly. Where? Cried Harris, spinning round. Stand still, can't you? roared George, flying after him. And they got it off and packed it in the teapot.
Thank you so much. I will take now in the 11th point, I will take my oath. I put it down on that chair, said George, staring at the empty seat. He was just searching for the empty seats. And I will take my oath. I saw you do it myself not a minute ago, said Harris. Harris told that I saw you do it myself and not in a minute ago. Then they started round the room again looking for it. Then they set it and they just watched round on the room. चारों तरफ रूम में देखते हैं कि क्या किया, ठीक है ना, उससे उन्हें आइडेंटिफाई मिल जाता है कि उन्होंने क्या किया. They see all the things whatever they did. क्या किया था उन्होंने, सब चीज सामने फ्रंट में रूम में दिख रही. So then they started around the room again looking for it, and then they met again in the center and stared at one another. After that, then they looked each other. एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं कि क्या किया है. रूम को देखा, then उसके बाद they just see each other. Most extraordinary thing I ever heard of, said George. George gave the comment. Most extraordinary thing I ever heard of. So mysterious, said Harris. Harris also gave the comment. It's a mysterious thing. Then George got round at the back of Harris and saw it. Why here it is all the time, he exclaimed indignantly. Where? Why this happen all the time with us? हमारे साथ क्यों ऐसा होता है? When we are trying to do something, it's all spoiled. जब भी हम कुछ करना चाहते हैं, कुछ properly करना चाहते हैं, it doesn't happen. होता ही नहीं ऐसा. Why it is possible? Okay. So here we can say that it is there that whenever they try to do it, something is possible like that. Then George got round at the back of Harris and it said that, stand still, can't you, roared George, flying after it. Then they got it and packed it in the teapot. And they everything they tried to and have a teapot. They packed it. They keep the teapot also inside the food basket material. उन्होंने teapot भी रखा उसमें. So in this way we can see that these two people, they try to manage the thing, but it is not possible from their side to manage it. वो कोशिश करते हैं कि हर चीज को properly करने के, but they don't know how to do the work in a proper way. किस तरह से काम किया जाए, packing कैसे करना चाहिए. They have not that sense of humor. But in case of Zara, we can see that he is the best one how to pack the bags. So student, this is there. So we have completed till 11th point. One more thing is that I would like to share that on 2nd November we have weekly test, isn't it? So I told that this chapter will come, but one more chapter I have added to you, that my childhood will also come in your exam. My childhood भी आएगा आपके exam में. So 2 chapters will be there for your weekly test, which was going to held on 2nd November. So prepare both the chapter thoroughly. Okay. So after this meeting, I will send you extra additional short questions of this chapter. Okay. So I hope whatever we have discussed, it must clear to you. Any doubt is there? Any doubt from your side is there? Anyone who would like to ask any question? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? So prepare 2 chapters for your weekly test. My childhood and second one this packing. ठीक है ना? Thoroughly read it. Any doubt is there? We can discuss on Saturday. We have that time. We can discuss on that day. Come with your doubts so that we can have a discuss and you can read the paper very well with your own framing your own sentence in that paper instead of whatever you are doing. Any doubt? Till 11 point?
No, ma'am.
No doubt. No doubt is there. So shall I ask few questions to you? Let me check. 1-2 questions पूछते हैं, then afterwards we will end our meeting, right? So let's start. This question is to Ankit Kakani.
Yes, ma'am.
What did he find 18 times? What did he find 18 times?
George and Harris
Yes, pardon. George and Harris.
toothbrush.
Toothbrushes. He found the toothbrushes of George and please try to give the complete answer. If you couldn't give the complete answer, you are not able to frame the sentence also. आप complete answer नहीं दे पाते हैं तो आप कैसे frame करेंगे? Sentence कैसे बनाएंगे पूरी तरह से? So try to do it that one also. Okay. Now next question is. Were George and Harris good at packing? Sia Kava. Were George and Harris good at packing? Give some example. Were George and Harris
Yes,
good
ma'am.
at packing? If no, give some example. Or if
No,
yes,
ma'am, they were
then
not good at packing because they
yes.
didn't know what to pack in bottom and what to stack after it.
Give an
They were
example.
putting heavy things on lighter things.
Yes, give an example. We've read it right now.
Ma'am, they were putting heavy things on lighter things.
Like what heavy things or light things they have put it there?
Like they put a jam bottle on a tomato and it squashed.
Okay, thank you so much. So this is all our meeting. Okay, so I hope whatever we have discussed today, it must be clear to you. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Tomorrow we will be there with our same Zoom meeting. Have a nice day. Goodbye, students.
Bye, ma'am.